We're located in Georgetown, Texas. This is a new venture for us here. We started 3 years ago. Before now, our plant was only capable of running 50% production because if we couldn't keep up with the cleaning the ponds, we'd have to shut the plant down.
Before CDE got involved in this project, Collier Materials purchased off-the-shelf washing equipment that has never worked properly. Kevin struggled for 2 years to try to clean his sand, and he wasn't able to. CDE designed this custom plant for him, and now he has in-spec C33 concrete sand.
We've added the AquaCycle and the Evo wash, so now we can get 100% production out of our plant.
Before, cleaning his ponds was a bottleneck. Now he doesn't have to clean his ponds. He's doubled his production due to this AquaCycle. At Collier Materials here in Georgetown, we integrated very nicely with the equipment he had, and now he's producing in-spec concrete sand and clean concrete rock.
Yeah, not only are we making spec sand, we're making a lot more of it. It's been great working with CDE. And now that CDE is based here in the United States, actually here in Texas, you know, the service is great. They've taken care of me.
CDE is going to go above and beyond to help these plants run smoothly because it's a partnership between Collier Materials and CDE. We want that partnership to be beneficial to both parties. We have done this by putting boots on the ground, customer care engineers throughout the country, not just helping Texas customers, customers all over the country.
My competition didn't have this technology, but it's inevitable. They're going to have it because this is what works.